Take a look at this, fellas. Along here, you notice that's the still the shiny bit, like it has blah 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 blah. Well, this is it with the high build primer. Looks as straight as a gun barrel. And sorry about the flicking. Should just take it outside and film it, shouldn't I? And the speckles are light, so the light shining through the trees. And so anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. There's more blocking. I ended up giving it 3 or 4 coats. I can't remember. I have to watch back. I had it on time lapse, so you'll get to be able, you'll see it. You'll probably already have seen it by the time you get to this. Anyway, so that's that for this. And that'll probably be the conclusion. The wife's home. That'll be the conclusion of the bonnet. I've had enough bonnets. I'm so sick of bonnets. That's been a mission to do that. Anyway, cheerio and have a good week. Just a quick rundown on the paints I'm using. Somebody asked and I thought I might as well fit this in too. Protec for the 2K, and which is just primer. And then for the epoxy primer, it's PPG. And I would prefer them to be the same brand, but my paint shop didn't seem to run them in the same brand. And the top coat, I haven't fully decided, but it'll most likely be Protec. And I'll probably do Protec with a base coat and clear on top. And that's the way I think I'm leaning at the moment. I was speaking to Kim a while back, and I think I'm going to follow his indications. All right, thanks very much. La 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 la. Another Mark Bear asked me, how did I get all the sand out after I sand blasted it on the underside here? Let me get down there. And with great difficulty, but you can blow it out. So you sort of like blow in there and it comes out the other end and stuff. And you vacuum and add little pipes and stuff. And I confess I spent probably a couple of hours getting the sand out till no longer sand fell out. I just thought I'd tell you, because I haven't probably mentioned it before, the reason I have this table here and the bonnet resting here and at the back, very back there, is because if you have the weight in the middle, it actually changes the shape of the bonnet. So when you block it out, of course, you're blocking furrows in. And but if you've got it resting there and there, you'll end up with a flat bonnet. So just so if you're ever doing a bonnet, you need to know that. You can get special bonnet and boot jigs, and doors for that matter, that'll hold these panels for you, especially bonnets, but I don't have one. And so that's about it. So yeah, cheers. La 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 la.